So how can you make a zoomed in picture look a bit clearer on the iPhone? And let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if we're talking about portrait photos or live photos, you can at first turn off that feature so it doesn't change anything, right? You can just tap on the portrait, for example, and make it go off so it doesn't do anything with it, right? And then you can tap on the edit button right here at the bottom and scroll through the available options, like you can play with the colors and shadows and whatnot. But at the end of the list, we have the sharpness and the definition. And that's not guaranteed to bring back all of the sharpness and make it look properly focused, but at least it is something, it is a tool to at least give it a try to see if it makes any difference. Usually it may give it some sharpness back to the image. As I said, the effects are questionable and it depends heavily on the actual photo and how blurry it is. But, if it's not clear like that, you can perform some changes in here and perhaps return back some of the, definition. So that's just a quick guide. Make sure to let me know in the comments below if you managed to find some sort of result with this. Most definitely subscribe for more in upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.